So, 18, escape. And we're going to take out the back door panel in search of this GPS, this mysterious GPS that I keep trying to find. Just pull up the taillight. That video's right there. So, let's do this. Let's go back into this handle. Alright? I did not do that. I did not do that. I'm a professional, supposedly. I used this guy to get up under. Get up under. This one didn't give me that much trouble popping out. And then it reveals two T's, which are T15. My hands are dirty. Oh my God. Two T15s. And we're going to start pulling. We're going to start from here. It's typical of most rear hatches. So let's do this with one arm. Can we do it with one arm? Yeah? Let's go. Can we do it? There you go. And here comes forward. There's always one left behind, of course. So, pull this guy out. Oh, no. Another one left behind. See that? Because the wonderful plastic does not win against these guys. So getting these guys out is not the hardest, but I will show you how to do it. One arm is kind of hard. What you got to do is grab something like this. A little smaller, little hook tool. All right. So you want to get these guys back into your possession, because you can sort of win. You see, you got to get both of these squeezed in at the same token. You can probably use, let's see if I can use these guys. Needle nose. Let's see if I can get this way. No, doing it with one arm is not the easiest either. I don't want to lose it. So let's put this. You get the idea. So you gotta get these guys out. These things are terrible. So let's put this guy firmly, and now we start pulling. Start pulling. Let's try to get this guy. This wonderful American, and these guys are probably the same issue. So let's get this down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. There you go. Clip, 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 clip. All around. There you go. So, rear tail light. This is the door light. This is all the tail lights. Let's see if we can figure out how to put this thing back on, because it is beyond idiotic. So we've got one bolt right there. It's a 12 mil. I mean, look at this thing. It's a 12 mil plastic. Did I lose you? Where'd you go? Where did you go? Oh, lost her. My pocket? Oh, there it is. It's actually in here. There you go. This guy. It's like plastic with a metal thing in here. Even more plastic. This guy goes up in here like this. Look at this. Look. Idiotic. What is this? So that's what you're up against. So just, you can't do it by hand. You got to crack it first. So I cracked it with this guy, some long nose, and then another 10 mil, because of course we have to have 3 different sizes and 3 different ways to do this. The 10 mil right there. You get up under here. Long 10 mil. And I put this somewhere over here. It's like a lock washer. Here he goes. Look at this. What is this? It's for you. So those are the hatch lights, which is right there. And now let's see what bulb it is, just for shits and giggles. We're going to see what we need as far as a bulb, because can you even do it with the thing in the door? Probably not. Let's see. Let's get this out of our hands. I absolutely would not recommend doing this inside the door. You have zero room, and there's no way you're getting it back in. Spend the time, get the tail light out, and pull the bulb out. And what do we have? We've got something along the lines of, I don't know. Can't see. I don't see anything. Oh, wait, here's something. 921? 921? Gotta clean my hands. 921? put it back. Clean the bulb. Clean it. I will do that. And put the tail light back. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.